Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be making a Hungarian goulash. Hungarian goulash? You're not Hungarian. I mean, what makes it Hungarian goulash? What's that? Oh, yeah, right. Use Hungarian paprika, and then you have Hungarian goulash. Here's everything you need to make some Hungarian goulash. All right, let's add it.
Everything is prepped. Dutch oven is getting warm, and we're ready to go.
Garlic, onions, peppers. Then, of course, let it sit. Throw in your meat. I'm using sausage and ground beef. And then add cayenne pepper, and then your Hungarian paprika. Stir it in. Let it set for a bit. Add your tomatoes. Cut them up. They'll melt. Don't worry about it. And then, of course, wine, water, and then cover. And let it sit. In the meantime, spinach salad. You know how I like it. Bed of greens. Olive oil, vinegar, pepper, salt, Parmesan cheese. Simple as best. Okay, here we go. Pasta in. Serving time. Pasta out.
Well, there is a goulash. Look how thick it got.
And to finish it off, we're going to be using fresh chives and some cream. And of course, bread. Who says goulash isn't easy to make? It's a breeze. Just use paprika, Hungarian paprika. Whether you're cooking for 1 or 21, it's all the same with Hungarian goulash. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.